Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in another of our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPhone. Today we're going to take a look at specifically how to use search. Now, many of you like to use the app for reading and looking up quotes within the Ellen G. White's writings, but we've built into the app the ability for you to be able to look up Bible references as well and go directly to a Bible book and chapter and verse. And I'm going to show you right now how to do that. I have open on the app in front of me the home screen, and I'm going to tap on the little tiny search icon in the top right hand corner. I'll just clear out the previous search, and now if I know the book that I want to look up, so let's go to Revelation. So I can come in here and I can type Revelation and then put a space, and then I'm going to put the chapter in and then a colon and then the verse. So as you can see, to type it in, I typed in Revelation space 6 colon and then 12, and that's the matching of the book code right there, and I was taken directly to it. Now I can jump across. So say I want to type in Matthew. I do not have to type the full book chapter title out. I can type M-A-T-T, and then I can put a space, and then I can put in the chapter, and then a colon, and then I can put in the verse. So I can also put in the short 2-3 letter Bible book code, and I can use that to go directly to Matthew 24 verse 2. And you notice that it takes me into this version. If I want to switch the version up, this little icon at the top where you can see the little book Bible, click on that. You can then choose the version, the Bible version that you want to open, and there it is. So I'm now in King James Version, Matthew 24 verse 3. Now I don't have to, when I come in here, type in the verse. I could just come in here and type like Exodus 20, and then I can just click search. So I typed EX space 20 and it took me directly there. Or if I wanted to go to Genesis, I could just type Genesis and it would take me directly to the book of Genesis. Okay, so you can put in the book name, the book and the chapter, or the book, chapter, and verse, and go directly, and you can either use the short code or the full book name. Okay, so there's a little tech tips on how to navigate within a scriptural reference on the EGW Writings 2 app. Thanks for joining us now. Have a nice day.